Hello, amazing learners. Welcome to English Learning Channel, the channel where we make English simple, fun, and super practical. I'm Maya.
And I'm Ryan. Hey everyone, great to see you all today. Maya, I have some exciting news.
Ooh, what is it, Ryan?
I just booked my first international trip. I'm going to visit my best friend in Australia.
That's incredible. Australia is amazing. But wait, have you ever flown internationally before?
Honestly, no. And I'm a bit stressed about the airport. There's so much to remember.
Perfect timing then. Today we're going to walk through the entire airport experience in English. By the end of this episode, you'll feel like a confident international traveler.
That's exactly what I need. And everyone watching, if airports make you nervous too, you're in the right place.
Before we dive in, quick favor. If you're excited to learn airport English with us, smash that like button right now.
And subscribe to Speak Easy English. We post new lessons every week to help you speak English naturally.
Hit that notification bell too so you never miss an episode. All right, Ryan, let's get you ready for Australia.
Okay, so I'm at home getting ready. I have this huge bag where I'm putting all my clothes, shoes, toiletries.
That big bag is called your suitcase or your checked luggage. This is the bag the airline takes and puts in the airplane's cargo area.
Right, my suitcase. Mine is green with wheels. Oh, and I also have this smaller backpack for things I need during the flight. My headphones, a book, snacks.
Perfect. That's your carry-on bag or hand luggage. You keep it with you on the plane.
Carry-on bag, got it. Now, what about documents? I need my...
Your passport. That's number one. Can't fly without it.
Right, my passport. And my flight ticket?
Most airlines now use e-tickets or mobile boarding passes on your phone, but we'll talk more about boarding passes in a minute.
All right, I've arrived at the airport. It's huge. There are people everywhere. Where do I even start?
First, look for the departure hall. That's the area for passengers who are leaving.
Okay, I'm in the departure hall. I see giant TV screens showing flight information.
Those are the departure boards or flight information screens. Look for your flight number and destination.
Found it. It says flight QF127 to Sydney, check-in desk 2225.
Excellent. Now head to the check-in counter or check-in desk. That's where you'll drop off your suitcase.
I'm at the check-in desk now. There's a friendly agent here. What will she ask me?
She'll say, "Good morning, may I see your passport and booking confirmation, please?"
Here's my passport, and I show my phone with the e-ticket.
Great. Next, she'll ask you to place your suitcase on the baggage scale. That's the weighing machine.
My suitcase weighs 22 kilograms. Is that okay?
Most airlines allow 23 kilograms for economy class, so you're good. But if it's over the limit, you might pay an excess baggage fee.
Phew, glad I'm under. What happens next?
The agent will ask, would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
I want to see the ocean when we fly over it, so window seat, please.
Good choice. The agent will then print your boarding pass. This shows your seat number and gate information.
Got my boarding pass. It says seat 24F, gate 16. Boarding starts at 10:45 a.m.
Next stop, security screening. This is where they make sure everyone is safe.
I've seen this in movies. Do I really have to take off my shoes?
Sometimes, yes. You'll definitely need to remove your jacket, belt, and empty your pockets. Put everything in the security trays.
What about my laptop and tablet?
Take them out of your bag and place them separately in a tray.
And I have a water bottle.
Stop right there. You can't bring liquids over 100 milliliters through security. You'll have to finish it or toss it.
Oh no, it's full. Okay, checking it now. Done.
Good. Now walk through the metal detector.
Beep. Oh no, it's beeping.
Check your pockets. Any coins, keys?
Oh, my phone and keys. Let me put those in the tray. No beep this time?
Perfect. Collect your belongings and you're through security.
Wow, now I'm in this huge area with shops, cafes, restaurants.
That's the departure lounge or terminal. You can shop, eat, or just relax here before your flight.
I see a store that says duty-free. What's that?
Duty-free shops sell items like perfume, alcohol, and chocolate without the usual taxes, so they're cheaper. But watch your budget.
Good point. I should probably find my gate instead.
Smart. Check the monitors for your flight. It'll show your gate number and boarding status.
It says Gate 16, now boarding.
Time to go. Now boarding means they're letting passengers onto the plane.
I'm at Gate 16. There's a line of people showing their boarding passes.
You'll scan your boarding pass and passport at the gate. Then you'll walk through the boarding bridge or jet bridge. That's the tunnel connecting the terminal to the plane.
I'm on the plane. A crew member just said, "Welcome aboard."
That's a flight attendant or cabin crew member. They'll help you during the flight.
My seat is 24F. I found it, but where do I put my carry-on?
In the overhead compartment or overhead bin, that's the storage space above the seats.
Got it. Bag is stored. Now I'm sitting down.
Don't forget to fasten your seatbelt.
Click, seatbelt on. Now what?
The flight attendants will do a safety demonstration. Pay attention. Then you'll hear the captain announce, "Prepare for takeoff."
And we're moving. The plane is speeding up, and we're in the air.
How's the flight, Ryan?
Amazing. The view from the window is incredible. Oh, the flight attendant is coming with a cart.
That's the beverage service. She'll ask, "Would you like something to drink?"
I'd like some apple juice, please.
And on a long flight, they'll serve a meal or in-flight meal, usually with options like chicken, fish, or vegetarian.
I'll take the pasta option. Perfect for a long flight.
After several hours, you'll hear, "Ladies and gentlemen, we're beginning our descent into Sydney."
We're landing. The wheels just touch the ground.
Welcome to Australia. But you're not done yet. Next is immigration or passport control.
What happens there?
An immigration officer will check your passport and might ask, "What's the purpose of your visit?"
I'll say I'm here for tourism or I'm visiting a friend.
Perfect. They'll stamp your passport and wave you through.
Great. Now I need my suitcase.
Head to baggage claim. Look for your flight number on the screens. It'll tell you which carousel or conveyor belt has your luggage.
There's my green suitcase. Got it.
Last step, walk through customs. They might ask if you have anything to declare, like food or expensive items.
I don't have anything. I just walk through the green nothing to declare lane, right?
Exactly, and now you're officially in Australia.
Wow, Maya, that was so helpful. Let's quickly review the key vocabulary.
Great idea. We learned suitcase and carry-on bag, check-in counter and boarding pass, security screening with metal detectors and trays, departure lounge and duty-free shops, gate, boarding bridge and overhead bin, immigration, baggage claim, and customs.
I feel so much more confident now. Thanks, Maya.
You're going to do great, Ryan. And to everyone watching, practice these words before your next trip.
Tell us in the comments, where's your dream destination? Write it in English.
We love reading your comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Speak Easy English.
Share this with anyone who's traveling soon. It'll really help them out.
All right, everyone, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Goodbye. Keep speaking easy.